Welcome to the instructions video for the Lifecycle Cost Ownership Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine the total cost of owning and operating equipment or systems throughout their entire lifespan. It considers everything from initial purchase price to disposal costs, giving you a complete financial picture for better decision-making. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key values. Start with the acquisition cost, which is your initial purchase price. Let's enter $10,000 as an example. Next, input your annual operating costs, such as labor and consumables. We'll use $500. For annual maintenance costs, enter $300. Add your annual energy costs, let's say $200. Enter the expected lifespan in years. We'll use 10 years. Input the disposal cost at end of life, perhaps $1,000. Finally, enter your discount rate, typically 3 to 5%, to calculate present values. The calculator will then show you the total life cycle cost, breaking down each component and applying time value of money calculations to give you accurate ownership projections. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out to help with all your engineering and financial analysis needs.